Imagine being arrested for simply singing a song. In a startling event, Rana, a prominent figure, was reportedly incarcerated by Uddhav for the mere act of reciting the Hanuman Chalisa. This incident has sent ripples across the nation, and today we delve into the details. The Hanuman Chalisa, a 40-verse hymn dedicated to Lord Hanuman, the Hindu god of strength and devotion, is widely recited across India. It's a symbol of faith and devotion, a spiritual practice that millions engage in every day. So what led to such a drastic action against a simple act of faith? Without mincing words, the Deputy Chief Minister has openly criticized the act as an infringement on an individual's right to practice their religion. The event has sparked intense debates on the fine line between maintaining law and order and preserving an individual's freedom of expression and belief. This isn't just about Rana or Uddhav. It's about the larger question of religious freedom and the extent to which the state should interfere in personal faith and expression. It's about the balance between maintaining public peace and upholding individual rights. And it's about the role of the judiciary in safeguarding these rights. It's important to note that this isn't an isolated incident. Instances of state interference in personal faith and belief have been reported time and again, stirring up debates on the role of the state in religious matters. This incident has once again brought this issue to the fore, emphasizing the need for a balanced approach. To summarize, the arrest of Rana for the simple act of reciting the Hanuman Chalisa has sparked a national debate on the balance between public order and individual freedom. The incident has underscored the need for a nuanced approach to religious freedom, one that respects individual rights while maintaining public peace. As the nation grapples with this issue, one thing is clear: the conversation on religious freedom and state interference is far from over.